Today we will show you how to create a process in VisitBasis in order to minimize your brand's out of stocks at retail stores. The first step is to set up the in-store stock audits. So we will create a task template. Go to the Task Templates tab and click on the Add Task Template button if necessary. We add a task title, let's say Check Out of Stock, and add a task description, Verify out of stocks at the store. Now we choose a division, and we check the box saying that the reps can schedule the task themselves. Next step, we go to Items. Here we can choose which products we want to check for out of stock. I can load products and then manually select the products, or I can check the box Load Locations MSL Planogram. Then VisitBasis will automatically load the products specified in each location's must-stock list. You can configure must-stock lists for each location by selecting the location, opening the MSL planogram window, and specifying whether each one of the products is on the location's must-stock list by checking the MSL box and the recommended quantity of each product. You can also have masters MSLs for a group of stores. For instance, all Bravo stores could share the same must-stock list, and simplify your MSL setup and updating process by choosing one of your stores as a reference, or even create a mock store to use as a reference. Let's say the store BV1 is our reference. Then, on the other Bravo stores, instead of updating the MSL planogram window, you can add a property with the name MSL _ parent _ location _ code and the value BV1, which is the code for the location with the reference or master MSL. Going back to setting up our checkout of stock task, now we will go to the Actions window. Here we add the questions we want to ask the reps. In this case, there is only one question, if the product is out of stock. So we add the question, out of stock, then choose the answer type selection, and add as answer options yes and no. Save. We will also mark the action as required, meaning that the rep will not be able to close the visit if the question is not answered for all products. Now we save the task template. We are ready to perform the task. So you go to the Visits, User Schedule screen, choose a user, choose a date, add visits or tasks, select location or locations, add. Now we select the visit we created, add visits or tasks, add task template, and select the checkout of stock task we just created. If your reps set their own visit schedule, we can make this task pre-selected for all visits by adding a property to all locations with the name task _ list and value the name of our task. So we copy the task name and paste it to the value field. To add this property in bulk to all locations, you can import a table like this, where you have location code, property name, and property value. Let's see on our mobile device how this works. We can see here the visit we created on the user schedule. But let's add a new visit. Select the location where we added the task list property. Now we select the visit, tasks, and we add the new task. We can see here that Check Out of Stock task is pre-selected, so we just need to click on Add. Let's perform the task. Here we will answer yes or no to the question out of stock for every product. Remember, the question is marked as required, so if I don't answer it for all products in the location's must-stock list, I will not be able to close the visit. After we answer all questions, we can go back to the visit screen, synchronize, and close the visit. We will also perform the task for the other visit we had scheduled, so I have more data for our reports. There we go. We can now go back to the visit screen, synchronize, and close the visit. Back to the VisitBasis Office app, we now go to the Reports tab. Let's run a report on our check out of stock task. Since we apply the actions on all items on the STAR's must stock list, we choose the report type Task, Item Action, and select the Check Out of Stock task. We choose the date range and click on Run Report. And in this report are the answers yes and no to the out of stock question. We can see how, by performing this task periodically, we'll be able to see which products are running out of stock more frequently in which stores and adjust shipment levels and frequency according to this information, minimizing out of stocks. We might even elaborate on our questions and add a second required action, asking the reps to inform if a product has low stock levels. In such case, a yes answer could mean we need to arrange for an extra shipment. Should you have any questions, please contact us at support@visitbasis.com.